All right, so it's been a while. We'll be still on our toes. Dr. Williams here, Chiropractic Elevated. We got our homie here, Lil Light, aka Lil Light, yeah. But so one thing that we talk a lot about is posture, and as you can see, her posture is trash. So we're gonna help out with that a little bit, you know. But
Okay.
one of the main factors is that with you being a barber, you know, you're on your feet a lot. So that's going to, you know, affect like core, you know. One thing I always work with my hairstylist barbers is ankle and foot alignment. So we're gonna have some fun with that today. So this is her very first time. So she's a virgin. So we're gonna have fun. I'm honored. We're gonna do this. You ready? You about that life? All right, let's get it on your belly. On your belly. Yeah. Obviously, we went through the formalities, you know, etc. But all right. Let me see those arms. Those arms down. All right. Perfect. So, alright, first time getting adjusted, history of back pain, of course. You know, because when you have faulty ankles and your ankle instability and you're standing all day, nothing's really gonna go right. On top of that, where you're stationed, where you're standing, do you have like a mat that you're standing on? Yeah.
Oh wait, on top of that, I work at FedEx at night, so.
And FedEx, some lifting. You're lifting with horrible posture as well? Yeah, all bad. What about a workout routine? You got a workout routine?
Yeah.
Or FedEx is the workout routine?
No, I go to the gym.
Okay, all right, for sure. So make sure you incorporate core when you get your sessions in at the gym. All right. Okay, so we're ready. We're about to move some bones, starting up top, working our way down. You ready?
Yeah.
Any questions? No? Okay, let's do it. Alright. Nice. Alright, that was a little too easy. You still alive?
No, we're
Okay, alright, we're good. Let's do it in one piece. Alright, let's get it. Nice. Majority of back pain and neck pain, surprisingly, it's going to stimulate from mid back being locked up. Nice, that was perfect. You still with me?
Yeah.
All right. Do me a
She's too
favor.
quiet.
Line your right side. Line your right side. Line your side. There you go. Keep coming. Bring that arm around. Yeah, all the way. Yeah. Let's get it. All right, hang out for a while. Wait, wrong way. There we go. Alright, that's what's up. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I have a first time promise. Promise not to drop you off of the table today. Alright, so do me a favor, scoot forward a tad. I love it. Let's do this. Yeah. We know how to get you some chiropractic elevated kicks.
For sure.
Well, now you gotta represent. Alright. Oh, that was too easy. Easy work. Other side for me. Let's get it. Yes. Alright, now bend this knee a little more. Perfect. Alright. Like I said, I've only dropped one person. So, and that's a pretty good ratio. This month makes 18 years I've been doing this. Hey. Alright, on your back. You're still in one piece. We're almost done. Your other back.
My other back?
Yeah. I mean, your other back. Yeah. How many backs you got?
I got one.
Alright, there we go. Let's get it.
Oh, you said they on my back.
I love it.
My bad.
I love it. Surprisingly, I have to say that about 3 or 4 times ago.
Oh, my bad.
But rarely do I have somebody say, "What do you mean?" That's a new
My
one.
mind wasn't processing.
That's a new one. All right, let me see that. All right, for sure. All right, big hugs. Hey. up that middle back I was telling you about. Not bad for your first time. You're doing pretty good. You haven't punched me, so that's solid.
You gonna punch people?
Oh, hell yeah. Multiple times. Oh, man. Alright, let's see what this is. Do me a favor, let me have you. Oh, you the tickler's type? You might be here a while. Alright, hands on your belly. Yeah, so you don't reflex and punch me. I'm trying to duck and dodge. Okay, that one needs help. We're gonna start over here. I like that one. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's good. That was beautiful. I love it. Alright, let's see here. And too easy. Okay, slight pull here. You ready? Of course you don't. I know that wasn't slight. Forgive me for that. Alright. You survived. Come on. That was something. Good stuff. Alright. So couple things. Hamstrings. Get you a mat to stand on. And